Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SPY, QQQ, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Netflix, Google, and Amazon. So let's take a look at all these tech stocks, the AI stocks, whatever you want to call them. Market is on a rip again and unstoppable. It has taken out previous resistances, got out and above of potentially the downward big structures of head and shoulders that it could have formed. However, that's not the case anymore, and market is super strong back again. Now, so Tesla, I already did a video on that, guys, on my channel. Check that out. I'll be focusing on the tech stocks and SPY and QQQ. So I want to start off with Microsoft first, actually, today. Now, so Microsoft doing a comeback, and it's very simple actually. Microsoft right now, as of yesterday, what I talked about is as long as we just stay above 200 days moving average and the level of 404. Today is just an upside play and we just are getting that. The next level to watch is, guys, pretty much 417. I want to see what it does at 20 days moving average. But so far things are looking good at this point. As long as we are not below 200 days moving average, this is just an upside play from here on. Taking a look at the hourly interval, we still have higher pivots ongoing. So nothing has really changed in this intraday rebound, which is now above 200 days moving average as well, together with 200 hours moving average also. Today, this was a confluence of us going higher. As I said, as long as we stay above this, 410, that 200 days moving average, 200 hours moving average, combination of all of it, pretty much this level. Let me actually, significant level is already there, but let me actually also mark it with the red line. $410 area is the another level to watch. If we are above it tomorrow, no problem. If we come down, still if we stay above 200 days moving average, that's still fine. But if we lose this level 410 area, then we would want to see some consolidation and support again before a much more upside. So these are the points that I'm watching. But yes, Microsoft is back again in the uptrend. Technically, I would still like to take this as a rebound, but it's a good strong rebound that can push us to 417, and then we'll see what happens. But we have taken out the previous pivot zones already, so that's good. All right, that's Microsoft. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple, as you know, has been just going straight up strong, and that's pretty much what our thesis has been. Once it found support at these trend lines, these were intraday rebounds, then it has also taken out these pivots already, and we have been continuing higher, also above 20 days moving average. Apple is full on bullish still. There is no structure to the downside right now. As long as we continue to stay above these areas, 214 to 216, it's just still bullish, and we are continuing higher. Meta also, as you know, I have been saying it's just bullish. Above blue box was an upside play, continuing higher. There is still no sign of downside, no sign of slowness. It's just bullish right now. And yeah, at this point, let's even at the intraday levels, if we go over there on the hourly interval, yeah, it's just bullish, guys. Everything at 20 and 50 is just getting bought back up. As long as we tomorrow, even any pullback 523, as long as we are still above this level, even tomorrow, we are just bullish. If pullback happens, you are watching 523. If we lose it, and 20 hours moving average, some cool off may come, otherwise no. And since it's just bullish right now, any cool off to these significant levels will just be a pullback. We are still in the bullish structure. Market is very strong again. Netflix, no surprise here. I already talked about once we get above this blue box, it's the next leg up, and we are getting that above 624 area. This is not a surprise to me. I already talked about it, and we are still bullish. Netflix, there is no structure to the downside. We are just bullish on this thing still right now. I would be, if tomorrow we break below 634, then only I'll be worried. Otherwise, no. And Netflix have a lot of strong support now, and this is a very good strong support, actually 634 now. I'm seeing a lot of consolidation, a lot of support with the higher lows. That's a really good support right now on Netflix. Any pullback so far until 20 hours moving average is just a buy if that pullback comes. Netflix is very strong. Market this week can remain strong as well. Just looking at all these stocks, that how strong they are. SPY and QQQ, guys, they're driven by these particular tech stocks, right? Now, Google. So Google, we are not bullish yet. All right. Yes, it's surprising, right? Why, Junior Trader, everything is going up. Why Google is not bullish? Well, because price action is not telling me that it's still rejecting underneath of this previous pivot. So yeah, so if anytime we loses any of this body, guys, if we tomorrow, if we can get out above this pivot, sure, 20 days moving average can be tested above 160.80 cents, 168 and 80 cents can be tested. That's fine. But until then, no. And if we lose any of these candle bodies lower, then you're again watching the level of 160. So let's go to the hourly interval. What is the price action telling us? It's still rejecting underneath of 200 hours moving average. So yeah, that's the pivot that it needs to get out from first, guys. This pivot, right? Like, this is the zone. If Google can get out of above it, sure, it's an upside play. If anytime we don't get out and above it and we lose the level to the downside like 162 and 58 cents, then yeah, this 160 is again coming into play. Also, if we start to lose 20 hours moving average with 50, that's also a problem. You can expect then downside. So yeah, it all comes down to this blue box 164 area if it can get out and above it. Amazon. Let's go back to the daily interval. Amazon testing underneath of 200 days moving average and still going super strong. And right now, yes, there's a good strength in this. So yeah, these are strong rebound with little to no pullbacks that is just about to, the next level is definitely above 200 days moving average is the next big move that can test 20 days moving average. And Amazon is still for continuing in the higher highs, higher lows, even on the intraday. And yeah, this is the level watching. You are watching 171 area with 200 hours moving average combination with the 200 days moving average. That's after what the next big play would be. But even tomorrow, let's say any pullback comes, but we still stay above 168 and 51 cents, this structure will still remain bullish. Only weakness I expect on Amazon now would be below 168 and 54 cents around area. All right. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. So if you found this video helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. Well, no, we are not done yet. SPY and QQQ, sorry. Yeah, I just went to the down of the list and then pretty much just forgot about SPY and QQQ. All right, so SPY and S&P 500. So, okay, these were the levels, right? Like, let me mark this again. The significant level is already there, but I want to mark this with red line as well. Now, this was the zone that I talked about. If SPY stayed below it, then we were in the trouble of forming head and shoulder. But above this, we were fine, out of the danger zone. And then definitely we have also taken out the pivots level by level. And this taking out today is this pivot at 538 was another win. We are also closing above 20 days moving average today. There is only just shy of 4 minutes left for market to close. And we are already above 20 days moving average. So that's already a great win. And as long as tomorrow also we stay above 538, SPY is just a bullish play. And yeah, this thing is again going back up. So yeah, I don't need this blue box up there anymore. I'm just going to get rid of that. And so yeah, structure is still bullish. And even as long as we stay above this structure area now, we are just bullish. If we lose this area, then I would say watch 524, but that will be a little bit of a dip then. But right now, the price action is not showing me any weakness of such type. It's very, very strong. Taking a look at hourly interval. And even on hourly interval, yeah, great breakout above 200 hours moving average as well. It's very bullish. Any pullback tomorrow, back again to the level of 538 or 20 hours moving average area is just a pullback. Even if we lose that, 200 hours moving average is a good area of potential, another leg of support. Look for the bullish plays only. Don't look for the downside play. You can go and do whatever you like. I'm just sharing my opinion though. All right. A daily interval on QQQ, that is NASDAQ. And with this thing, guys, again, when we took out 448 again back to the upside, we were out of the danger probability of a potentially head and shoulder, which if we would not have broken above 448 and then lost 200 days moving average, that would have been a very dire situation on NASDAQ, that is QQQ. But since we got above it, 448 and 50 cents, that's a great win. We took out these previous pivots. Also today, getting above 20 days moving average, it's a huge win already on NASDAQ. I would not want to touch it short. Even any sell-off comes, we are still technically will remain bullish on QQQ now. If we stay above 448, these are good pivots already in play. If any pullback comes until 448, that will just be a pivot and a pullback. We are very strong on QQQ, Nasdaq as well again, and things are again bright and rosy. All right. Yeah, even on hourly interval, we are very bullish. Got above 200 hours moving average. Is a very good squeeze to the upside. Guys, market is looking back again awesome. And I'll be doing another video on my dividend investing portfolio. Again, if you haven't checked that out, check it out on my channel. Well, the link to my another channel, this is dividend investing, another channel, right? I provide updates on my dividend investing portfolio, public facing portfolio that I have been building. And link to that channel is in the description below this video. All right, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.